Welcome, welcome, welcome. I extend a warm welcome to all 15 or so of you. Oh, there's a few more in there now. The number's just not updating. Hi, everyone. It's Sunday, and it's windy out. I just saw a tree reach into my window. Not into my window, but like into my field of view. I don't normally see a tree there. Don't normally. Okay, I was playing Tears of the Kingdom all day, and Kano got busy with something where I need to be quiet and in a different room. So I decided to go be quiet in a different room, and then be noisy in that room, but quiet with regards to the location Kano is. I don't know why I described it like that. She's on a voice call. I gotta leave the room. So I was like, well, if you're doing something fun and cool with your voice, I'm gonna do something fun and cool with mine. So now I'm gonna play Tears of the Kingdom. I was already playing it. We're just gonna pick up from where I was and what I was doing. Short lobby, because I was already playing the game and I want to play the game more. So let me just swish you over. Swoosh. Slam. The rare third step. Here we are. It's Tears of the Kingdom. I have played a fair amount since the other day. I completed one of the... Sorry, I got distracted. I completed one of these, looks to be 4 main challenges. Dancing around it. I went to the Rito area and did what there was to do there. And that was really cool. I liked it a lot, what I found there. I had a good time. And now I'm just kind of doing my own thing. I'm running around the map. I'm getting towers and shrines, and I decided to go to the Great Plateau. So this is what Link looks like now. I just found this mask here. I've been using this barbarian top for attack power. I have some other stuff here. Check this fucking outfit out. I was shocked by this one. He got his little hip bones out, got his shoulders out, got painted nails on his not hell hand. Or actually no, the hell hand's nails, well wait, they're always that color, aren't they? Yes, okay. Anyway, I was like, wow, that's good. Yeah, it reminds me of the dancer chest piece in FF14. You're right. Anyway, I was happy to see this. I got Trousers of the Wind from scanning in my amiibos today. I forgot to scan them yesterday, so I didn't get to play the amiibo gacha. But I have these white pants now. I bought a Snoqual headdress in case I need to not be cold. I was sad because it reverts his hair to being Breath of the Wild hair. I think they should have updated it to have the hair down. I found this. Oh yeah, no, the dancer, the AF90 dancer gear is one of my favorites. I got this. And this, yep. Oh yeah, did I find this on stream? I don't think I did. This is the glide shirt. It helps you glide. It's covered in little dangles, which I really, really love. Anyway, back to my canon appearance. Anyway, the Great Plateau is cool. I found this here, which is to say this part specifically. It is a control platform, a control station that lets you control. Oh yeah, that's right. I took a bunch of home movies. To show you of stuff that happened to me. You want to watch my home films? Oh, I took a bunch of them, didn't I? Oh no, that's maybe too many. Okay, well this'll sort of show you what I was up to. Let's watch my home films. This looks to be when I encased Addison in a circle of boulders. And it tilted a little bit. One thing I noticed after doing this is that he does retain the tilt that it is. Here's another thing that happened to me. Oh, you can see I dropped the boulders in from the previous scene. And then I decided to go in one of these holes. And this fucking blew my mind. Just ending up down here. I did not know this was in the game. This is also where the old maps come into play. I'm glad you didn't, because I was like, I had a very good like, okay moment when I jumped down there. Let's see, what else? Oh yeah. There was a big old tree down there, a big old Dark Soul tree that I touched. And then it did this. Lights up the area. Pretty cool. Yeah, something just possessed me to jump into that one that I found. It's not even the one that they like sort of lead you into, which I found after. Let's see. This is somewhere in the depths. I found Zonite down here. I guess this may be the point of this video. Did I really just take a video to show that I found Zonite? I guess so. So I did that. You can find a bunch of Poes down here, which is cool. Oh yeah, I found this guy. This thing was mysterious. Whatever, not that. This guy. I think I end the video like here, but I ended up taking the spear from him and then he disappeared. And yeah, it's like it's not wrecked. It's not wrecked like the ones on the surface. I did throw it away without realizing it was cool. I only realized after looking at the footage later. I talked to this guy. I can offer him Poes. And he gives me a shop. Oh yeah, he also gave me a dark clump. But that's neither here nor there. I don't remember why I took this picture of this guy. This is me. Did I mean to take this video? Oh wait, he's probably gonna do a dance. Okay. Yeah, that's all that's for. Let's see. I just liked this gamer command. Aim true and throw the material. Throw the material. Some of these I remember what the videos are for, and other ones I don't. Just because I killed a frog? Whoops. It might just be because I killed a frog. I don't know why. Oh yeah, this was good. Check this out. That right there is like a tar pit. All these guys kept falling into it. That was good. Tar Nation, rise up. Big Bob's Tar Pits. I saw this guy. Is he the point of this film? Yes. He's definitely one of Mario's associates. Or Morshi's, honestly. Oh yeah! I saw one of these things, which was really good. Luckily, I had my trusty axe spear. So I wasn't able... I don't know what their name is, because they don't drop anything that has their name on it. I don't remember if there's a way to see the names of targets without the... Maybe the t-shirt lets you see them? I don't remember. This, I think, is just a picture of me pulling up my menu at an inopportune moment. Because I am slobbered inside the beast in the background. Oh, the camera tells you. That's right, that's right, that's right. Let's see, what's this one? Oh yeah, I went to this thingy. And then my... Oh, that's right, I took... That was a real moment of confusion, because I did not realize I had set my shield on fire. Watch closely. I took that video for my own reference because I wanted to see what the fuck had happened. I touched a tear of the kingdom. I forgot that I was like just taking... I took so many videos yesterday. I met the apparent founders of Hyrule. Well, I didn't meet them, but they were in the FMV that I didn't show. Secret stones. Why did I take this film? Oh, right! Alright, that's a good film. That's a good movie. Oh, this one's also good. I was stumped by a puzzle. And then this happened. I got trapped inside of the floor. This guy, I was psyched to see him. He's the stupid dogshit snow bowling NPC from the first game that everybody who has tried to earn money fast will know, because Google will tell you he's the best way to do it. And in the first game, he makes a bunch of snow puns, and he's like, "Oh, hey there, friendo," or whatever. Like he talks like that. But when I found him, he was despondent and talked completely normal. That's a good question. I didn't think to try Ascend. Anyway, I just thought that it was fun to see that guy. Also, his house is in ruins, and also there's a bunch of robots that you can snow bowl into. I think I just took this because Link looks fucking crazy here. You would talk normal after that? I probably might as well. This is an awesome movie. Oh, this is me trying to cook a bomb. It doesn't cook into anything. This is from the Rito dungeon, which was really cool, by the way. I loved this whole segment. Even though it was about as complex as a Divine Beast, which is to say, not especially. I did like to learn about icicles from up here. This is how you make frost blades. Oh yeah, that's right. Tulin fucked me over. That's why I took that video. That's the only reason. I like Tulin. Tulin's cute. What else did I do in here? Oh yeah, I wanted to see what happens to this stone shard, because I attach it to my sword, and then I think it comes back. Yep, okay, it just respawns. Alright, I was curious about that. That was for my own reference. Let's see. This is more stuff from the Rito dungeon. Little preview if you haven't been here. It's a floating ship in the middle of an eye of a storm. Oh yeah. I saw this gate and I was like, haha, I know what to do. All right, here we go. It's a pull gate, not a push gate. You open it. Let's see. Oh yeah. So that weapon fucking rocks, because it's considered a hammer type weapon. So it has like a heavy blunt end for bashing up ore. It's also a fan. It's really good. I want to like go back there and get more of those. Welcome, V Prisoner. We're looking at home movies from when I was playing this game off stream. What am I doing here? Oh, probably just for that jump, I guess. I thought it was cool. All right, past chess. Here's a picture of Ganondorf. If you want to hear some French. Oh, right. I took this because I wanted to... Hang on, let me start it over. I wanted to get a good look at who these fucking guys are. Alright, so there's a Goron, clearly. There's Rauru in the front. There's bird guy in the back left. There's a Gerudo probably to the right of Rauru. There's probably a Mer. What the fuck can't I remember the name? Zora. There's probably a Zora on the far right. I don't know who is to Rauru's left. I don't know what that is. I don't know what that creature is. I guess we'll find out at some point. I remember when I did this scene, I just got like hyper focused on that character's silhouette. Weird like Vieira looking head, and then the body is like, I don't even know what's going on with the silhouette. They have like a World of Warcraft undead body. And also Zelda's here, by the way. That's fine. Let's see. Oh yeah, look at my horse. Look at it, its hairs. Its hair was just stuck like this. It was really cute. Oh yeah, I got something really exciting. I don't think I took a picture of it, but when I went to stable this horse, they told me that strangely, they already had some horses that were registered to me. And so I found my beloved horse from Breath of the Wild, who I used for the beginning of the game and never again, new horse, and Epona, who I got from an amiibo. They were waiting for me. They carried over from the save. I did not know there was any save data carryover stuff, and that's the funniest thing to do it for. Makes sense, because like there's not much stuff that you store in the world besides horses. Everything else was on Link's person and got lost. Oh yeah, this was cool. Check this out. I was proud of this solution. Well, it's first it doesn't work, and then it's gonna work. Also, the stabilizer guy isn't even active, so that guy's not important. There's a treasure chest hanging below a sky island, and I wanted to get it, so I like knocked this log off first, so I could ride it back up after I had gone down and gotten the chest. I was so proud. These are all from earlier today now. Yeah, seeing the stabilizer guy always improves my day. Oh, this one, I remember this one now. This was just barely near save. To get up on top of this thing. It was a panic move. This was another time where things didn't go quite so good. I did not recover from this escapade, FYI. I kept like trying to find spots to ascend from, but I couldn't find a place where I could like ascend or create a platform. Here you can see some of that. Then I slipped. Ended up on the lowest point on this particular sky island. And then eventually I think I just died. This is a screenshot of the Temple of Time on the Great Plateau. Instead of doing the normal functionality, the goddess statue there tells you a weird message. This is my current personal goal of figuring out what this means. Let's see. Oh yeah, this is a trick I kept trying to do. There's a ton of like black bokoblins up here and like really strong guys. So I was trying to use these fallen Sky Island pieces to like crush them from a great distance. So I'd like shoot an arrow at this spot and then let that fall again. But it wasn't doing nearly enough damage. I was there for like 10 minutes. This was when I found this. I wanted to control him. This is my Banjo-Kazooie Nuts and Bolts car. And this is a guy I found about 30 minutes ago who said beg the bananas forgiveness and then tried to kill me. Welcome to the present. All right, so I just brought these Koroks back together using the Banjo-Kazooie Nuts and Bolts car. The Shrine of Resurrection is up here. I came and visited it. Once again, I'm feeling a bit like all of the ancient Sheikah technology just fucking evaporated because there's none of it left in there. There's just like a hot spring and then like a little Yiga hideout with a robot who's like a friendly robot, a friendly sky robot who's like, hello, I have something awesome for you, but I don't think you're ready for it. Come back later after going to this very specific depths location. So I gotta go do that at some point. Thank you, Zot, for 10 coin. But yeah, so that's... Oh, there's a shrine over there. Okay, I wanted to find a shrine... Oh, wait, there's a Great Fairy up here. What the... Is that on the... Okay, that's not on the plateau. I wanted to try and find a shrine on the plateau. Thank you, Unit Remover, for the sub. Something else that's fun is normally in all the places where there used to be the iconic first 4 shrines, there are holes to the depths. So that's like the first time in this game that I've noticed a like a shrine location being acknowledged in any fucking way. An original shrine. So I'm gonna keep looking around up here for shrines. Sky shrines, because I would like to be able to teleport back here because it's kind of a pain to get here. Can you kill squirrel? Yes. It it left its body behind. There was only an acorn left. Yeah, Link's getting a little bit more agile. I'm sitting on 2 more stamina upgrades as well. I was gonna use them here, but then the goddess statue didn't let me do that, so. Okay, there's one. There's a shrine. I need to like delete some of my pins, I think. Probably don't need that. Blink. Welcome, gamer. Is that the only sky shrine on the Great Plateau? I need to put on my warm hair. There we go. Yeah, I don't see any others. I like that you get party members in this game. I love the little fake Tulin that you get. Because I was sad when he was going to leave me. But it's nice that I got a fake one. We're doing good. I did the Rito dungeon. If you want to call it a dungeon. Had a great time. I've been to the depths now. I haven't really done much there. Notably, I still have not fucking found a Hestu. Not this. Do I not? Oh, right. I don't have... I didn't mean to do that. The problem is that it... Well, not really the problem. I haven't attempted to go to the Lost Woods yet. So that's probably my next stop after the plateau. I also haven't been to Hateno, which is another place where I feel like they expect you to go early on, and I haven't yet. There was no point to that. The cannon spear is really fun. I often forget I have it though. Oh yeah, check this out. I found a magic rod base, which if you put a gemerald on it of some type, it'll turn it into the stronger version of the wand. Yeah, are these icicles? They look different than the other icicles. Are these cooler somehow? I guess I can put it on this. It's just called ice. I guess it's like a short sword version of the long icicles. Okay, I'll go down to that shrine I saw. God, the depths are huge. I need to explore those more. Also, I need to get rid of this ice. I don't want this. Destroy fused material. Oh, what is this? Why is there an arrow pointing? Oh, is there something down there? My run up to the air temple was pretty alright because I had cooked a bunch of, oh god. I cooked a bunch of warmth food. So I was really warm on the way up. Rest in fucking peace. Gone. That's a yucky looking horn. I gotta be honest. Okay. Yeah, there's also the thing I need to figure out what that message was about when I talked to the goddess. I can't think of a, like... What was it? It's like, I'm behind the stone door. Let me look it back up. Trapped under the water behind the stone gate of the Great Plateau. Yeah, I don't know what that means. Whoop. Help. Okay. I can't go underwater yet or ever. I don't know yet. So not many bright ideas from me on what to do about that. But I don't know if, like, I need to go under the water. I also don't know what the stone gate is. I remember in Breath of the Wild there were, like, some giant stone doors in places that you needed to, like, do some shit to unlock. I don't know if it means one of those, though. Oh shit. I mean, I guess shield. The thing about Shield of the Mind's Eye is that it's I think one of the best shield surfing shields, at least in Breath of the Wild. So I don't want to get rid of that. I guess I'll drop the Knight's Shield, or I could get rid of this cannon shield, which I've never used, but it's awesome. I'll get rid of it. It's sad. Maybe we should try using it before I just drop it forever. God, it's awesome though. Wait, I can't just throw this away. I love how the only way you can aim it is by moving backwards. It lets you do a kind of an arc. Okay, it would have only lasted like 6 shots anyway. No regrets. Oh, hang on. I gotta hop up and close my door. Just in case I'm audible. Force transfer. Happy May 4th. Oh yeah, you had to do some of this in the Rito dungeon. I liked it. Alright, do your thing. That'll do. Something that's kind of funny is I feel like generally, oh, that's a nice bow. What the hell? I feel like generally the puzzles in shrines in this game have actually been insanely easier than Breath of the Wild, just because the mechanics of the powers in this game are so much more like logical, based on real world physics. So it's been very easy to like grasp the solutions. Oh shit, I'm gonna need that one too. Let's see. Thinking. Actually, I don't need to do any of this shit. Hang on. Ah, come back. Okay, now I do need to do this shit. Alright, let me think here. Oh, wait. Ah, ha, 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 ha. This is funny. Check this out. Ah, fuck. Uh-oh. Come back. Come back. Uh-huh. Alright, now it's gonna be cool. Wait. No, I can't get up there. Wait, yes I can. If I jump when I go up... Ah, shit. What? He didn't do the flip. Oh, maybe... Do the flip, fancy boy. What? Oh, is it because I'm not moving, maybe? Alright, here we go. This is gonna be the one. Okay, not the one. Up! Oh, fuck. I'm making this way more complicated than it needs to be. Give me this. Uh-oh. Never mind. That stopped this machine. Good thing I could rebuild it. We'll stick that there for now, then move it. There we go. Hey! Alright. Funny puzzles. Funny puzzle exchanger. Sorry that I disappointed you by listing Grilloff with Ultra Hand, but to be fair, this game does feature the Ultra Hand. Oh, I didn't think about the fact that I could have used Ascension there. I'm often forgetting it. Okay, well now I have a shrine here. Is it raining? Fuck, dude. Behind the stone gates of the Great Plateau. The only thing I can think of is, like, there's water here, and this is kind of like a stone gate. I really wish there was a warp over there. But there ain't. Yeah, I'm using Ascend like way more than I thought I would, but I still forget it a lot of the time. Because my instinct is to like climb and platform stuff. I haven't quite integrated Ascend into my my instincts yet. There we go, that'll help me. Did I mark that shrine? I did. Ow. Let's see. That shrine. There's... Let's see. Temple time. Oh, I don't need that. I've been there. Temple time. Ruin stuff in the front. Sorry, I was looking at something else. So there's the water and what might be considered a stone gate, but I don't really know. I guess there is a depth there also. Oh, there's a shrine over there too. Okay, I'm gonna forget the mystery of Temple of Time for now. Maybe I'll go dive in those depths and see if there's anything down there. That is technically beneath the water. Look at the glow down there. What is that? Oh well, it doesn't matter. Yeah, I don't know. It'll probably make more sense eventually. Down the hole. I love that noise. Oh! Too fast. Alright, I'm not cold anymore. I'm gonna put my cool mask back on. And probably maybe a better pants. Thank you, Tokay's AX for the sub. Oh, fuck. No, I need that. Where's the, these. Yep. There's car materials down here. What is this thing? Oh, I can't take pictures of these to identify them, I guess. I do want the Zonite, please. Man, there's a lot of pieces here. They really want me to build a car. Well, who am I to disappoint? Let's see. Got a surfboard, a boogie board kind of situation here. Ugh. Get that. Put this on top of it. Hang on, maybe I should be building it like on this station. Fuck this stuff, too heavy. Okay, so then... Alright, there's that. Get one of these in the back. Yep, that's probably fine. Yeah, sure. I think I attached that tire backwards. What? I think maybe that other tire is attached much too tenuously. We'll see. We'll see once it gets moving. Hang on. Maybe this is not a good spot. Is there like a spot I can attach up front? No, it's really got to be on the tips of the wings. Okay, no problem. I'm going to be able to drive this car for 1 second also. So maybe I should just see how it goes, because I've still not upgraded my my power at all. I don't know what this is, but I'll attach it. Oh, it's a light, I think. I bet it's a light. All right, looks good. Let's get it out on the road. It's a bit wide. I'll be honest, it's a bit wide. I think I want to go this way. Oh, that tire is not attached correctly. That might be better. Oh, I see. The bottom is probably... Okay, all right. Let's, hang on. I thought of a better design. There we go. Why was I doing it the other way? And then we'll... Okay, here comes my better design. I hope you're ready. Grab these things. By the way, these things are really cool. If you haven't seen them, they plunge into the earth and stay there. You can use them to attach things to geometry, world geo, but not to other pieces. If you try to attach them to pieces, it'll just, you know, do the normal thing. I think I'm just gonna use them as axles, though. That's incorrect. I think that's still gonna just like grind against the bottom. Okay. Different idea. No way this can go wrong. Is this the right direction? So these, yeah. It is, okay. Gonna be a little strange. Attach these a little bit higher up. Okay. Is this the car? All my wheels are pointing the right direction. Okay, this is the car, apparently. Let's go. Wait a sec. What the fuck is that? Oh, there's one of these. Hang on, let's drive over. No Gukoik. The cars in this game that you can build make me feel like I'm like doing a lunar landing. Oh, it's so bright now. It's kind of hard to get up onto it. Wait. Can I? Oh, yeah. All right, let's go. Let's explore a little bit. Wait, not this way. All right, back her up. Ow. No, no, no. Okay. Gmod dupes. I don't know what that means. Oh, like to store store a design so you can use it again later? No idea. If such a thing does exist eventually, it would probably still require you to like have the parts. So it might be kind of unrealistic. Oh, we got a fresh weapon up here. And some pose. What we got on tap? That's a big ass sword. Traveler's Claymore, I think. Or maybe a Soldier Claymore? Traveler's Claymore, yeah. Oh, you don't have enough room. Well, don't worry, my friend. I'm about to make some. Thank you. Long. I'm Sephiroth now. Alright. Spun around. On we go. I guess I'll go toward this temple thing? Wait, why is my wing... Is my wing thing gonna evaporate? Because it's technically traveled too far from its origin point? That's so funny. That's so funny. Rest in peace, this beautiful vehicle. Wait! Stop! That's not how it was supposed to go. Alright, well that's fine. That's probably okay. Wonder what's in here. Do I have any Sneaky's food? No. I should cook some Sneaky food. Let's see. Drop like 3 of these in the ground. Nope. Alright, what's the sneaking food? Stealth fin trout is one. Let's cook one of those up with viral base. Let's get some... Sticky frog, hightail lizard, fairy. Oh, okay. They were organized insanely. Is there a sneaking shroom? This one. A couple mushrooms, and do I have a chicken leg? No, I have some fish though. I'll just make more fish. And let's make another extremely sneaky one. 4 and 1 fish. Okay. Let's eat one of those. Let's use the one that heals the least. I guess this one. Sneaky fish and mushroom. Okay. Oh, they're like mining. This is a mining camp. No. Don't honk your horn, please. Let's see. Sort by fuse attack power. Find the thing that I have the most of. This will do. Okay. These. Turn your big old noggin this way, please. No? Okay, well, shoot that guy. Yep. No, don't notice me. Oh, fuck. All right. Let's go back to must use and alley-oop. Ow. So for those who haven't been down here, the gimmick of it is when these guys hit you, your max HP goes down and does not return until you go back to the surface. Which is a really interesting way to add a little bit more stakes to coming down here after you have raised your max HP. So if you're playing carelessly, it kind of limits your ability to stay down here for long. You can also prepare gloom-resistant food if you want, which I have not done. And that's all right. Moblin bump. There's a lot of Zonite. Look at these evil little crates. Oh, they're explosive crates is why. Scary. Well, bottoms up. Okay, where's my... Oh, still more Zonite to get. This stuff has its own, like, UI element, so I'm thinking that it will be used for something where you need a lot of it. Like a metal tree. Oh, right, my car exploded. I was like, I need to go back for my car. I don't feel like rebuilding it, so rest in peace, my awesome car. What the hell is this? It's like a Super Poe? Grand Poe. Ooh. Tutorial cave in Area 1 explained what Zonite was for. That's okay. It does also say in its description that it's made for crafting weapons and armor. And the robot NPC that I found in the old Shrine of Resurrection says, like, hey, I will provide you some kind of a service for Zonite, but you're not ready yet. So I think probably I am going to use it for crafting weapons and armor. Wait, is it literally the same cave that I also missed the other thing from? Oh, wait, this is the place I needed to go to please that robot. Well, looks like I'm going to solve the mystery. Bunch of car parts down here. Oh, and a bunch of guys. Oh, it's Yiga guys. What do you mean? I look like a perfectly upstanding Yiga clan member. Ancient power? The ability will allow you to commit any structure you create to memo. Okay. Yay. Looks like it does real. It does have Gmod dupe. All right, well, let's wake this shit up. Powerful gift for chess. If only I had, if only my awesome car had survived just a little longer. Oh, is this the last power on the wheel? A hand handing some hands something is the icon. Here you go. Instantly recreate your Ultra Hand projects using nearby items in Zonite. Auto build records your previous. This is interesting. All right, let's see. So there's that. I don't think it's on right, but the wheel is notably incorrect. Okay, so auto build history. How the fuck is this gonna work? Okay, it just records everything that you ever make up to a point, I guess. Yeah, make that. Oh. Oh, this is crazy. That's how they do it? So you do still have to drop all the stuff on the floor to create things. Very interesting. Oh, any parts you're missing you can buy with Zonite? Oh. I see, I see. Oh, this guy. I mean, he did fall down a hole. Yes, I know it's you even under the mask. He has dialogue for it. This is the one thing that they assume that you have done from the previous game. Unless this is another save carryover thing. Did anyone else have this scene, but they didn't have a Breath of the Wild save, and he still remembered you? It's not a save carryover? Okay, interesting. I mean, I guess they know about Link anyway, regardless. Hi, hi, hi. Yeah, true. I think like Teba also remembers you now that I think about it. So squeak, 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 squeak. You'll do no such thing. Nice car. It's a really good song. How did I land that? Why am I using this weapon? Oh, This is the fighting weapon. Oh god. Imagine if he just ran me over after all that. Toasty chill shroom, sure, man. Bye. It seems like a good boss. It's a shame that Link is the most powerful creature ever invented. Thanks for the treasure. There's so many different like quest lines in this game. It's really good. Yeah, it is good that they are cartoon and that their goal is to kill everyone in the world. Now, what the fuck is this? Complete crystal made by condensing zonite charges processed from zonite equal to 100 normal crystallized charges. What does that mean? Oh wait, that's for buying new batteries, I think. Yeah, that's probably his gimmick. That's my guess. But also don't reveal too much information. I don't know anything. Schema stone. I see. Ah, so these are what this is for. They give you freebie blueprints. Question for chat. Does anyone know how many of your own designs it saves? There's got to be a limit. I mean, yeah, I know that there's got to be a limit, but like, does anyone know how many? Oh, okay, last 30 steps. Gotcha, gotcha. And then stuff that's favorited gets preserved. Do the favorites count within those 30? Doesn't seem like it. Okay, cool. So favorites, at least as far as we know, will not get wiped, not take up slots in that 30. It's very cruel to put this giant ruins up there and not let me ascend up into it. Oh. Oh. What the? Hello? Oh! Oh man, there's a lot going on here. All right. Hey, bud. Processing zonite into other materials. Crystallized charges. Energy cells. Okay. Well, that's a lot of stuff. Oh, the cave in the tutorial area also has this stuff. I'm so good at learning. Ooh, what's in here? Here we go. We'll go up the old-fashioned way. What? Hell of a walk. Large zonite. Crunch. All right. I love the vibe of this place. So let's see. These cost 3 large for 20. So I could get another energy cell improvement from buying a few of these. Oh wait. No, I don't have nearly enough for that. But I don't know what else these are for, so I'll do what I'll take as many as I can. Oh. Wait, what? Wait, hang on. I didn't read the... Oh, they replenish stock over time. Oh, okay. I see. I see. I see. Okay, I'll just hold on to the rest of my zonite, because I have... Well, hang on. Sorry. Brain getting sidetracked. Hey, what happened here? Did I not build this all the way? Maybe it like unbuilt when I went too far away from it. Anyway, I need to remember where to improve my battery. Because my battery sucks. Also, this isn't working. Oops. Oh. It like didn't actually attach these. Oh, I canceled the auto build. I didn't realize. Okay. Now I understand. I just set all the pieces down in the approximate formation. Oh boy. Wow, I threw that into a hole, huh? I guess I'll get this light first. The core of that light route. Plop, plop. Oh yeah, it fixed him. Alright, now where was that hole? Over here? Oh, there's a grind rail. Oh, it wasn't a cave. It looked like one. Thinking I definitely already found the... Why is there a flag here? Last location. Of what? Me? Anyway, I definitely already found the NPC for improving my battery, but I don't remember where it was. Oh, last location I fast traveled from. Okay. Oh, Crystal Refinery. That's where it is. Okay, let's go there. Because I want more battery. My shit sucks right now. Final location. Last one ever. This was not necessary to do, I think. Okay, so I need more crystallized charges. That is a slight upgrade. Oh, very slight. I don't know why I thought I would get a whole new battery for that. I would enjoy further visits from you. Thank you. So polite. Okay, well that makes sense because it seems like that's one of the big progression systems of the depths. Okay, let's think. I would really like to have some fucking storage space. So I'm gonna go see if Hestu's in the Lost Woods. Again, no spoilers, don't tell me if he's there or not. But we're gonna go check on him. That's his last known location for me. I'm also just a little bit eager to see how the woods are looking these days. Also, I think there's something here at Woodland Shrine that I can do. Or not Woodland Shrine, Woodland Stable. I think I remember hearing that there's something you can do with the bullfrog pieces here. Yeah, the stable gets mentioned a lot. I actually, I came here probably at the beginning of yesterday, quite long ago, all things considered for me. And, oh hey. Then I forgot the name of it and didn't come back, even though like characters kept mentioning Woodland Stable, and I was like, wow, I really gotta go there at some point. I gotta find it. But I had already been there. Sorry, I'm really scatterbrained right now. I hope you can find it in your heart to forgive me. I'm gonna go see what this guy is doing. Welcome, Drinking with Skeletons. And all Drinking with Skeletons raiders. Just playing Tears of the Kingdom. Oh. I never found this guy in the first game, by the way. I've never seen this in my life. Ultra Hand is in this game. Don't worry about it. Oh boy. That's him, the Ultra Hand. So they invented another of him. That's a good transliteration of what he said, of the noise he made. Oh, it's these guys that like the bubble gems. I guess the Lord of the Forest or whatever that's on top of Satori Mountain in Breath of the Wild is one of these. The guy that I found and then dismounted and he disappeared when I walked off screen. Here, take this. Oh, great. He just eats them. This guy is a raving rabbit to me. Derogatory. The hunt for bubble gems complete. Yeah, extremely Ocarina of Time type of guy. So I have to like find this guy over and over? Okay. That's fine, I guess. Real quick, I'm gonna check this cave out. Did I just hear noises of Blood Moon? Boink. Oh, my Iron Lump Hammer. That's sad. I'll miss it. Is that it? Yeah, okay. Not history's most exciting cave, but a cave nonetheless. Wait a sec, does it put a check mark on the cave when you found everything in the cave? Or maybe it's just when you find the bubble frog. Either way, nice. Okay, let's go to the Lost Woods, or attempt to. Oh yeah, I should also really visit a goddess statue. Because I'm sitting on a bunch of goop right now that I can spend and should spend. Oh yeah, is my horse here?
Yeah. Oh. Oh.
Oh, I didn't remember horses working like this. Oh, okay, I guess it's fine. I thought he was gonna tell me like, sorry, your horse is somewhere else in the fucking world. It's fine as is. Alright, don't care. Maybe I should also put on my awesome new headgear. Alright, that's our look. Put on your warm pants again. No, that's fine. White pants is good. Alright, let's go. Drag this wood along the way. It will help you save your day. So Lost Woods is like over here-ish, I think. I don't remember if it's up or just left, but I'll go up first and then we'll see. Oh, I need meat. One sec, sorry, responding to Discord. Actually, be right back. I need to go inspect something. Be right back. Whew, okay, I'm back. Pretzel was being weird. She had some kind of... She created a litter situation. Everything's okay now, though. Alright. So here's a great fairy. She doesn't want to come out because monsters have ravaged the land, and she thinks it's cringe. Oh, wrong. Okay, let's go back. Oh, you know what? I just realized I left the gain really high. Let me change this back down to 5 from 15. Okay, here we go. No idea how I sounded up till now. I did not test it or listen to it myself. But this is back to the normal setting I always use. Aha. Yeah, sorry about that. I love these bokoblins that are wandering around with packs full of goodies. A great addition. Ouch. That bees is biting me. Oh, ho. This is what we do to bees around here, I guess. Ow. Oh, I shouldn't be using this awesome bow. Well, whatever, it's too late now. Whoa, 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 don't step in that. This was... Hang on. This used to be the site of a tower, I think. I guess it's not anymore, though. I should eat food. Skewered. What? You know what sucks? Let's actually wait. Whoa! Ah! Evermean. I guess it's like an evergreen. Ow. My bow. This is a fine fucking mess. Oh, evermean logs are separate type of thing from normal logs. Interesting. Where'd my horsey go? Come back. It's safe now. The danger is over. Anyway, the thing I was going to say before, the thing that kind of sucks is I have Epona from scanning amiibos in the previous game, but you can't equip her with horse equipables, I guess. So I could not attach a a horse trail thing. Wait, is this the Lost Woods? Is this what the entrance always looked like? It seems worse than before. Oh, oh, oh. That doesn't do shit. Okay. Oh yeah, also, I forgot to say, thank you, Sand, for the coin and message of water. I don't really remember. Last time I entered the Lost Woods, I really just blundered in. But I remember there being like torches at the start that you're supposed to follow, I thought. No such things here though. So let's see. Go right. Is it bad? Yes. Quickly bad, quickly wrong. Back out. Go left. Also bad. Every direction seems bad. He melted all torches in the upheaval. It really just starts swarming me instantly. If I go right, swarm. If I go left, swarm. Okay, I can't seem to avoid this. Hestu, please, let me in. I just realized, is Link posing like a moblin because I'm wearing the, or sorry, a bokoblin because I'm wearing the bokoblin hat? I think he is, right? Yes. That's really funny. I don't know if he did that in the previous game, but that's good. Well, that's a bit of a head scratcher. Gotta be honest. Is there any... Well, I think my idea, well, wait, hang on. Is this also Lost Woods over here? No, this is a wall. This is the entrance. I think my idea to go to the Lost Woods has been promptly thwarted. Oh, yeah. Okay. Then. What about, Okay, but what if... Wait, that's a bad idea. No. This is a lot of work for something that's not going to work. Wow. Yeah, okay. Alright, they don't want me in here. There's something I gotta do before I can get in this place. This game is definitely a lot more restrictive about letting you do things out of order, it feels. Which is fine. He already did the you can beat the boss from the... Well, I mean, I think you can beat the boss pretty early on in this one too, but... Can't go to the Lost Woods right away. Unless maybe you clip in there via tricks or something. Can I, like, get a peek, though? Wait. Oh. Oh, yeah, wow, there's like a whole... It's like a fucking... It's like a Dalaran situation. Wait. I hear, Where do I hear that? Right here. Oh, how I long to spend these seeds. I'm sitting on what feels like a lot of them. Okay, well, onward, I guess. But I don't really have a good idea of where to go from here. I could go to Hateno. Oh wait, is this also technically? It's close enough to Lost Woods, I guess, for it to be concerned. Whoa. Supposed to jump that shit. This way, this way. I could try finding the Sky Island, or not Sky Island, the tower for that region. Maybe that would shed some light on the situation. It does seem like maybe this covers more than the Lost Woods now, though. Now that I'm looking at this. I don't think the Lost Woods is that big. The tower for here? Okay, that's the tower. I'll go get the tower. And there's also a shrine. Can I mark that? Nope, not more pins. Let's see. Unmark whatever this is. Delete that. Lost Woods were encased by these red mountains and had a moat of water. Well, there is water there, so maybe that is how big the Lost Woods is, and I just don't remember it being so huge. Alright, I'm sorry to say, but horse is too cumbersome. My horsing days are over for now. I'm gonna go around. Gentlemen. What am I carrying? Oh, one of these. Let's go ahead and attach a sword to the end of this thing. Okay. God, Link emits so many ambient Bokoblin noises with this thing on. It's all smoky and dusty over here. Oh, they're not fooled. Nice shot. What the? I didn't expect him to be so rude to his own guy. Also, yeah, it's funny that it has the old cream horn. Uh-oh. Okay. I want those fire fruits. Okay, I have to stop wearing this hat because the noise is driving me insane because it's making me think there's Bokoblin around. Link's just pulled it right off the bone without removing the bone from the rack. That's skillful. Oh, you know I have to solve this. Hey. Not you. Thanks for your help, little guy. Really nailed it this time. Doink. And... voila! No? Wait. That doesn't go there. Wait, is this one even missing a piece? No, this one looks complete in every way. Oh, wait a sec. Or... no, it's missing this one. Okay. Where's that stone? Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. What the fuck? Okay. There... maybe one is supposed to be here too. Ah! Haha. Thank you. Can I talk to you guys? Will you tell me anything useful? No, you'll just say goodbye. I don't know if I have enough to make it up here. Yes, I do. Just barely. Alright. Is this Death Mountain? No. Yes, actually. It sure has cooled down. Maybe I should visit Goron Town while I'm here, instead of immediately leaving. Or at least climb to the top of this and see if I can see Goron Town. Speed up food on me. Yes. Boy, he's really scrambling. Tulin. Hey. Ooh. Is that normally? Oh yeah, that's got to be where Gorn Village is. On account of there's a big Goron. Oh man, my attention's really split here, but let me unmark some old stuff. Don't need that. Don't need whatever that was. Okay. I guess I'll go to Goron Town. Big old Popeye arm. Doesn't seem like stuff's going very well here. I don't feel like talking to them right now. Could afford this. I do love how it looks. They're eating unhealthy junk food rock.
Oh.
Whoa, thank you. It's Friendo for 100 coin. Message of, I haven't seen Ugtar in a couple, but here's just in case. Thank you. Protection from Ugtar. Yeah, I love this armor set that they sell here. I have a problem where now I want to sell diamonds less than ever, since they're used for fusion stuff. But also I feel like using them for fusion would be crazy. It's so much money, but it's so sad how everything has become less valuable since Breath of the Wild. Luminous stones have dropped from 70 to 20. Or maybe they were 40, I forget. I don't remember. Dropped from some bigger number to some smaller number. I'll sell 2 of these.
Oh.
Yeah, the main reason I'm keeping at least one is because I want to be able to make a circlet, if that's still a thing. I kind of want to buy the helmet first. Even though it's the most expensive. It's the least efficient purchase.
Oh. Oh.
Unoboko. Selling it dirt cheap for 1,400 rupees. Sure.
Oh.
I want to buy the top two, though, is the problem. Whatever. I'll sell. I'll get more diamonds in my life. Surely.
Oh.
It's been kind of nice going back to Link after being Linkle for so long. Because you can just make him look like a dumbass so easily. And it feels appropriate. Every time. There we go. Alright, I'm not even going to begin to try and figure out what's going on here. Do you guys have a shrine? Yeah, it's up there still. This is so sad. His legs are bothering me. There you go. Ready for all climates. I think it's just from being on fire. I don't think it helps you like in the Gerudo world. Okay, no built-in history on these. Hey guys, you made your bridge too long. Here's your fucking problem. It's okay. God, if I had bought the pants too, I could maybe be completely immune to this. And there you go, done. Oh Christ. I burned to hell. Okay, new idea. Check this out. It's gonna be so sick. Alley-oop. Solved. Well, I could probably at least connect this end. Oh. You can't attach anymore. What do you mean? Oh, it's because this... Get off! This uses the maximum number of attachments, I guess. But... there like another piece up here? Whatever. Can I take that? Are these like attached? No, they are attached. Alright. Let's maybe add 2 of these together to stabilize it a bit. Hey, stop. Yep, just pop up through there. Yep, exit. Hi. Y'all done? Oh, okay. Hmm? Ah, I see, I see. Oh yeah, it's dinner for us. Wait, are you starting dinner, or was it? Okay, are we doing fish? Yeah, I think fish is good. Okay. Well, I'll stop streaming when dinner's ready then, I guess. Yeah. I'm inventing cave machinery. Yeah, I thought so. Alright, that's Kano. I love all the pottery dot waves in this game. Oops. No, give me that. I need that. Drop this shit. Alright, what the hell is over here? Are these just iron ball? Yeah. Okay. And the goal is... what exactly? Like, it's obviously not to hit this with a ball. Okay, you need to hit it heavy. Wait, do I just need to gather a bunch of ball? What is this for? This is such a mysterious setup. Like, if I just roll ball in here, it's not gonna, like, be heavy enough, I think. Drop a ball from high up. No. Drop a double ball. It is a bit heavier. have probably shaped this better. What? What is this here for? Knock all the balls in the pit. Oh, wait. Wait. Stop. Oh. It's a bulldozer. Now I understand. Also, yeah, I think I was supposed to have sent the cars autonomously across the fire pits to do the things. I liked my solution better, though. They are extremely toy commercial with a plastic cube wall. That's true. Especially the fact that Link is wearing like a giant themed breastplate that he's never been seen in any other context. I feel like that's vital for Cube Wall commercials. His accessories. Alright, let's leave this place. Here's all the famous Gorons. Wow, I was not looking at my stamina. Lucky me. Any Koroks up here? Oh, okay. I feel like there's maybe less. Great job, you climbed it, Koroks, in this game. Which makes sense, because that's not really the novelty anymore. Wow. Where was... He's gone? Oh wait, he only appears at night, doesn't he? Hang on, oh yeah, let's use the sophisticated time travel method of wood. Ow. yeah, there he is. Okay. Oh, fuck. Ow. I'm okay. Yeah, throwing materials is one of my favorite new additions. Slamming. That is a cool helmet. And cool poof pants. I mean, I want the stuff from up there, but sounds fair. The distinct, long moblin nose and hanging tongue. That it? That sounds like a bad trade, considering I don't think bubble gems are replenishable? Here's a question for chat, if you know. Is he just gonna keep selling me toenails if I keep buying from this same stall? Or do I need to purchase these toenails to move on to other rewards in his reward line? Like, is it one line of rewards no matter where you find him? I don't know if anyone in chat will know this. But I don't want to waste my bubble coins if I'm just gonna be buying monster parts that I can buy, or that I can get for free otherwise. Not sure if anyone knows such details yet. And you're positive the gems aren't replenishable. Okay, so I guess I would have to buy these. Did you buy the toenails? Oh, you couldn't find this man. Okay, well, you know what? Let's just buy him. Yeah, I think it does. Okay, all right, all right. It looks like it's just one linear line of goods. A linear line. Rupee padding. Woven with prayers to spirits, it protects the wearer, allowing them to lose rupees instead of health when hit. Hey, what? That's scary. Okay, so basically his list of goods is just padded out with monster parts also. Yeah, there was a magic armor in Twilight Princess. I think that constantly drained your rupees while it was on to make you invincible, though, which is slightly different. Okay, he wants 3 from now on. All right, well, nice doing business with you, bud. Let me mark this spot. Guy. I liked using it because it looked cool, which was sort of how I did most things in Twilight Princess. Ow. Why, you little... Feels like a shame to use this thing on stuff that's actually good. Are there any rocks around here? Boulders or the deer? Ah. Ow. Oh. Whatever. I'll just use the spike ball. Though I don't know where I would get another beautiful spike ball. Hey, you've got just what I ordered. Never mind, it was fake. Oh wait, how about this? Nope. Yeah, the elemental fruits are some of my favorite things. I feel like the way that they redid materials in this game honestly brings back a lot of the fun of managing like tools and consumable tools from older Zeldas for me personally. So I'm pretty happy with the system. Oh yeah, did the old Zonai labyrinths get plucked up from the earth? They melt. Oh no, it's still there. Huh. I'll have to visit that at some point. Oh. That's a shrine it is. Oh, it's so low down there. Well, that's okay. Let's go. Actually, I feel like it would be nicer to go get this tower first. Yeah, I'm very happy to see bomb flowers make a return, specifically. They were able to give bombs back their power. I should have gotten that shrine first. Whatever. Too late for regrets. One more blast. Let's go. Darn. Oh, what's the deal with this shrine? Why is it surrounded in float platforms? I just saw a shooting star. Fyflo Ruins. Oh yeah, that's tar. Okay, hang on. Ow. Wait a sec, what are you using? Shock emitter? That's a new toy. It's a toy that I haven't seen. I don't really want it, but thanks for showing it to me. Actually, hang on, I could get rid of the doohickey on the end of this. Oh, wait. Right. That's not how it works. Wait, what happens if... Okay. Oh. More fire fruits. Eternally useful. Let's see. I can probably make it from here. I feel like you should be able to hit back arrows if you put a bow on your weapon. That would be funny. Lacrosse. Yeah, lacrosse. I don't think I ever went to this area in Breath of the Wild. In fact, I'm positive I didn't. Oh, it's open already. Oh, man. Bilson, what's the problem this time? Shrouded in darkness in Breath of the Wild? Like you couldn't go to it? Oh, good. There's rockets already up here. Ah. Oh, you fight a Hinox in pitch black up here. Huh. Yeah, I definitely did not come here. I don't remember that at all. Wait, what am I doing? Oh. I have to remember that there's a Korok puzzle here. After I get back down. Oh. Well, there's your problem. Oh, fuck. I almost just... Okay. The speed that Link goes always is more than I expect. Hey, this area has useful resources. There's just, like, having these floating platforms here with rockets for free. Pretty nice. Okay. Ah. Can I That's a good question. I don't know, but I'll find out after this awesome cutscene. Dinner will be done in 6 minutes, so I need to finish the fuck up.
You have to save your game.
I have to save my game. And quit? What the? I was ready to save it, but I wasn't ready to quit. Oh, you're gone already. Mom, I can't save. It's online. I used that joke the other day for something. I forget what. Why do I feel like this one shot me way higher? There's a lot of interesting stuff around this area. Okay, reconstruct. Okay. You can simply make this. That's my favorite. What does it cost to make this if I don't have it? A lot. Okay. That's how they balance it. But if you work hard, you can make that anywhere you want on this earth. On this earth or any other. Yeah, it makes sense because the floating platform is busted. No problem, I got this easy. This shit's for baby to me. Wait, go in though. There we go. Oi!
Hey! Oh! Ah. Mmm.
You're just some guy? I like to think that's how Link described himself.
Oh. Ah. Oh.
We only got like 3 minutes till the French fry is done.
Ah. 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 Oh. Ah.
Display the power of the Sage of Wind to the owl protected by many dragons. This thing looks like a dragon. Oh, these guys seem strong, actually. Ow. Confirmed. I missed. What? Ah. Jeez. Oh, Soldier Construct 3. Soldier Construct Ga. True. Okay, it's dinner time. Bye-bye, everybody. See you next time. Thanks for coming. Bye-bye. 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 Bye-bye.